But our friend Appiah Stadium, me Ghana niba. Anope me was some kakrebi any Ghana for binum and a Ghana for a chasing. Asam ni tre matudin asam the title ne say adan yakan tra de jato. Adan na yaka asam tra de jato atwene. Once again, we frame Appiah Stadium. Me pese me bisa owura akosi twom Joy FM adom enhira lab multimedia nipa okofa bae no se Ghana ha yetno ye nipa ye nyankwara ya tikrobo na MPP bema o agudro o kasa na MPP fu ani agye ensem o wiase nyina ono nko an nim hunimdie ono nko an nim nyansa o Ghana ha e fe kabi e fe Kenya Japan ascend on prediction osi owura ko si twum multimedia ye odia Joy FM ye odia koke adwuma no waye saa dia be sine koke adwuma wonim nipa ono mo ye koke wo ya obobbo bidin wo se wo ye koke enubone hu dwa na odi Joy FM for enimu a asem de owiase bia bobeka asem fa NDC hu a abrantie bi wo asempa fe no obi ese no ya MPP executive okeko zetakrade omu communication ana ene wa ba asempa oni miami nua kwabla santi asem fa John mama ne NDC no so obusisi nkonwa ka no asem abeto Ghana no mutimi sa ho kofa aloteje kopro kokko ni do se omo kansam fa NDC iti koke na se no obi kwabla santi iti treja pa asem no ken mo pasa mo chese mo me anti wasam se asem na chese asem no ken na ya pase owura ko si twum oton enubone oye koke asem tire no se nti akan tra eja atwadwe mi atosu biem ayo owura bia e fe no Captain Smart nya asem ya na nka ne nsem ana nse wo kasa bebrebe wo po bebrebe no bi se ne nsem no dodo na rekure ba me ma Appiah Stadium de me se esi bi se afari asojafo ayere sabia bema kokodufo John Dramani Mahama gonja niba edi blog share for siye no odi emu enu nyam na koma me papa ejekunkufuo kenya bone isu ejekunkufuo na titem politics ba Captain Smart ni kura kakaka we da no sa ho de emu enu nyam koma MPP this year owura je kufuo Captain Smart we ma me Appiah Stadium metia se ensama wo kafa na na dodan kwa Akufo Addo na ban hu nyina no bi gidi pase wo ko bo prumpe bibi no wanya edi afari hospital John Dramani Mahama gonja ni ba enu nyamfo bema kokodufo aya wodi mu enu nyam na koma MPP for MPP for na si afari asoja for hospital no Captain Smart we ma me Appiah Stadium gitumba se ensama wo burugu na Akufo Addo so nyina no me kan pin me John Mahama baba me kan san tro ya wo twa na wan fa credit na ma John Mahama no chese ensama akafa na Akufo Addo ho boa ntina matwa se no dize ya kan try jar ho di Captain Smart mbedisi baby e darwan fan to efrito aden no nipa da seni akopene besia be ye adwuma animonyam e wa afari sa sojafo hospital na udi mu animonyam koma present kofo enu mami hu se de wo kafa Akufo Addo nyina ne na ban em se ko pe bibi ne wanya ntina udi bi tutu awia no pan nwumre mi wie no Appiah Stadium ura John mama ye pesi enya power 2024 National Executive to make one when they call Thanksgiving. And you want to do a chilling sabi. I'm open on Koso, April 2024, so best way. It will not appear steady, the began necessary. And for Joseph Yami, national organizer. A Sunday I come by more, it did your mamma, she's on some cocoa now here, and we are severe kind. It NDC Bruni, Ghana. Abofo me answer na politics me no owura Jacobi Chebi and no company that arrest aka Joseph Yami open national organizer of NDC mommy for no politics on politics what the politics as we brilliant we very intelligent of frame Appiah Stadium with the Ghana BBS.
I am not trying to say everything is well and perfect in Ghana. I will be a fool to say that. But I'm trying to say, in some kitty be a yamana baby and some kakraka, and my Ghana for, I didn't say, Omunya Ghana from Beshino. It is being fueled by false propaganda. That is my problem. Because everywhere you are now, baby, I will be so to find that. Catch me say, during the COVID period. And even now, mun catch me say, oh, UK, catch me. So, oh boy, UK, and you are in UK, no one can placards, I got no bunting, say, I fix the country, because I say, oh, yeah, against also, may I against Ghana. Aren't you stupid? Aren't you stupid yourself? Boris Johnson crowd with problem with COVID. Boris Johnson, my whole prime minister, no, was having issues with COVID. Had problems, he had to answer. Our parliament. And no who you can even go for placards to fix the country. You got the air time because of politics in T and the Maka MPP communicators. If you do not echo, if you do not amplify a Juma Maya, NDC for no any propaganda, best say a Juma and another because at any point in time, Biano, all the scandal be batam. Now, poor Akako Pelona or Deba Commander Sugar Factory. Now, NDC for sorry, hey, the government never called because one Commander Sugar Factory, no, never horn or say no. You see this kind of stupidity? This is propaganda. This is what the NDC is known for. And no matter targeted an Addo, free SHS for now, what grooming omono, they have targeted them and on the hashtag not to omutrim. In Tinkwalana Giomodi Benyan say, we are squaring Yaduman yet, because Captain Smartaka, or Katacha Free Faka, Avram Ben Mosheaka. So now their mind is, or 2 weeks per problem about. This is what is going on. And NDC for your magi say, Senipa mi ensape na ekasadiama MPP dia. Omo dem tro no betwamwa magana for ati. Only 3 people are speaking for MPP. Canada Japan, Kusibuafu Abronye. Abronye de modi na tema, but the guy is speaking the truth. Sekeyenya sanko for sasumakuma kotena anka Ghana for free Accra anko Boliga. They will know the good works Nanado aye, even in this COVID. Even in this COVID. COVID we more than Numa Kese Eba Ghana just to give opportunity for people to be employed. Now unemployment rate in Swati. COVID we more. Niza nomine Sino track Muba Ghana. Still it was during this COVID. Because Ghana was viable for business. Inti mama NDC for that can trust our propaganda school. Omaya ye timwa ebi mu se ye ne ye kwakire nkofo se bi sibi twantro. Eno pe me se omaya ye tim na me reko ya se me tia lo Jacob timi ka kire Ghana fo nyina se Charles Baron, and your point exactly is even almighty American borrows from China and Canada as well as nonsense. Oh please. And I mean person me did you attempt to they will make you suggestion now. I will read it, don't worry. I'll read it. The world is not in good shape. The world is sick. The global economy is sick. And you Ghana nkwa ntiba umiambo ye te said ye Captain Smart air cano. No. IMF about Ababeka, and you can go and check on IMF official website. Since 1930, the Great Depression nearby, an economic shrinking to say 2020, 4.4%. And this is what get your facts right. IMF now, they came out and say we are seeing the global economy shrunk 4.4%. A being seen that since 1930, during the Great Depression. And open economy, US economy now, even under COVID, they force you people, more UK. Taxes were increased in UK. So why would you UK? Tell me some more. Even under COVID, taxes were increased in UK. Even under COVID, the ben you do, said won't you tell free. Na say Akufo Addo ye, no ye o emu adwuntino, ye taxes ye enti bi da. Or the Amaya Saji. Nanami Kase, Yamfa ni Kase in Tiasa Escanana. At a point in time when you could not go anywhere, now want to be near Jumano. Government no air so as in air support too. A Marabase was say a pet baby, and yes, Escan never show money more. Sorry. This is because the communicators of MPP are so weak and quiet. Mr. Wabia Samwa, please wake up. We are lawyer enti me masa me dem fia kwala we me e wona sa me dem fika in trunk one propaganda from the beginning. A party or training ko for say muhu say yellow amunka say black. Do you think that party no e be ka some papa media fa ho ana party or training ko for say munya ko Seven predators munya ko program so ni nya static case no na se masa munya da mumfa to kwana mun sai no. This is the way NDC for were trained. Into the NDC ni bia ya argument na kan nya ka fact pe no dey atemdidi na ba. Mo amota follow Felix Appiah no aya mo hwe platform no so. People come insult yenya ka say oh mumfa fact no pe no masa didi atem.